In-floor cleaning. Our in-floor pool system is not suctioning. All the pop-up heads are working, but the suction to remove the debris is not suctioning.
Well, if the heads are popping up, it means you have water flow. If you have water flow, it means you have suction. So one of several things could be happening here. Either it's not in the system at all, but it's in the filtration. So a thought for me could be that you're drawing enough water through the pump into the filter and out of the filter to create enough pressure for the heads to get pushed up, but there's no force of the water. So while they're popping up, not much is happening, which would indicate that the filter itself could need a sand change. You could need, could be a cartridge replacement. If it was a DE filter, it could possibly need some work on the fingers. They might be caked, but it's either a pressure problem in the filter so that water can't flow through. If you have a multi-port valve, you could try this whole thing on recirculate and see what happens when the heads pop up. Are they pushing water more? If they're not, then it's potentially a pump problem as well. But if the heads are popping up, it means that there's water flowing through the system out to that head. It may just not be enough to push the debris far enough that the main drain can draw it in. So I'm going to suggest, first and foremost, backwashing, sand changing, making sure that you have plenty of water flow. Because if you have water being drawn in and you have great water being pushed out, it's coming from somewhere. And likely it's that drain. So if the drain's not picking it up, it's because it's not being pushed out fast enough, which would indicate that somewhere between the main drain, into the pump, out of the pump, into the filter, and out of the filter, there's something that's restricting the flow of water. So again, it's enough to get the head to pop up, but not enough to push. There's not enough pressure to push the debris to the main drain so that it could draw it in.